Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can allow camera access to Instagram. So for that you need to open up your settings of your mobile device. After that, in the search settings, search for permission and then select this option called permissions. Here you will find permissions, just click on it and now search for camera over here, and here it is. Now here you will see all the apps which are allowed with the camera access and the apps which are not allowed. So your Instagram might be in the section of denied, where you have not allowed the camera access to your Instagram. Just click on Instagram. Since I have allowed it, that's why it's in the allowed section, so I will just click on it. When you will select the Instagram in your mobile device, you will be able to see that it is on deny mode. Just allow it, and after that your Instagram will be able to access your camera, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.